What is going on, guys? It is Trader Cause. I am recording another video today. Usually we'd be doing a stream, but as you guys know, if you've been following me on Twitter, I have had COVID and I don't really think I have the energy to talk for an hour. So I'm gonna keep doing some of these shorter update videos, which I know a lot of you guys like anyway. So I think that'll work out great. So as usual, before we get started, quick shout out to Zort and Bybit. Zort is a AI-based trading algorithm, and we have that running. I'll update that sometime in this video. And then Bybit is my preferred derivatives trading platform. So since the last video, I think it was around here. I guess I can do this to, yeah, it was somewhere around here. We dipped down a bit more into this demand right here. Sorry, I had to clear my throat. And I entered along. We had these nice 3 sweeps into demand, whatever you want to call it. We got a nice initial push right above Monday's low, but then it broke back down again. However, this is a great example of why you shouldn't move your stop loss to break even, or why you shouldn't move your stop loss up at all if your trade setup hasn't been invalidated. And in this case, like, as long as this demand holds, my trade is still valid. And because of that, we were still alive here. I will say I was sweating a little bit. This got really close, and at one point, I think like right here, literally, I was like, I might as well just close this, but I was like, you know what? It's close to my stop loss. If it's gonna stop me out, then the trade's invalidated, but if not, we'll let it ride. And we've gotten a really nice push since then. Clean flip of Monday's low right here. And now we're pushing up towards the weekly open. So what I wanna see here is a sustained push up to Monday's high. That's where I'll look to fully close this, and also that's where I'll be interested in shorts. It might not be like right away. Like, I'm not just gonna short this right when it gets there. I kind of want to see if this is gonna push up into this SR level and then break down from there. That's kind of an idea I posted on Twitter earlier, that I'd be looking to short something like that down to around here, maybe lower, but I think this makes sense as an original target. I do think we are getting close to a higher time frame rejection, but obviously because I longed this, I was looking for some upside before that. And one thing that's kind of funny, people like to talk about how like good or how bad a daily candle looks, and I just want to say, like, it doesn't really matter. Like, this was a really bullish looking candle, right? Took out the previous day's low into this daily demand, and the next candle, horrible. And then this one, super ugly, looked like it retested Monday's low and then got rejected. And then look what the next candle does. So don't put too much weight into how a candle looks, because a lot of the times the most bullish looking candles, like this one for instance, that was the top, and then we went down for the next 4 days. And really bearish looking candle, and then that was the bottom. So something to keep in mind. This level though is our weekly resistance, and so that's kind of where I like really want to be looking for possible swing shorts, because if we zoom out, like, I don't think it would be crazy if we did something like this, go up into that resistance and then get a pullback, maybe like to here, somewhere in there. Who knows where exactly it's gonna go, but I do find it unlikely that this just goes straight up from here. It could happen, but that's not something that I'm really counting on. However, if we do flip this general area and then we start like consolidating here for a bit, I will be buying spot, because if we do that, it raises the probability in my mind that we are going to push up higher, and if we flip that resistance, I think we go to all-time highs. So that would be a free 30-something% gain. But for now, sorry about that. I'm trying to mute my mic before I cough, but sometimes I can't catch it. But for now, main plan is to ride out this long, and it might take some time, it might consolidate around here before going up, but whatever happens, looking to ride this and then look for shorts in this region. So pretty much the same plan as when I recorded a video a couple days ago, but I just wanted to give an update on this position and also like what I'm looking for from here. If we do take out this high into the weekly open, I'll probably take some profit on this trade, but we will see what happens there. And then also, here's another good example of a really bullish looking candle right there being the top. Normally that's a great candle. It closed back above Monday's low, and then the next one just completely engulfed it in the other direction. So don't trust how a candle looks. I'm trying to think if I have anything else to go over. I mean, I don't think so. I think we're pretty much good. The Zort account is doing pretty well. It is in the green, and it's actually the take profit order for the Bitcoin that it's holding, I believe, is 49,400. So we'll keep an eye on that. I am staking some Zort. I bought around $20,000 of Zort right around here. Basically in this area within this consolidation. I threw that on there just to remind myself where I bought it, but I don't really plan on selling it. And so that bonus makes it cost less to enter trades when you stake it. So enjoying the platform so far, and it's making some money, so we'll see what happens. I'll be very impressed if these take profit orders hit and then it goes to cash up there. But also, that's kind of what we're looking for from a price action perspective, right? So if the Zort take profit is right around here, it might spike up into here, go fully into cash, and then we look for some shorts around here, and then we'll see when it buys back in. But so far, pretty impressed with it, and they recently did redo kind of the interface, and I think it looks solid. So I will keep you guys posted on that, and after we have a couple months or whatever of data, then if you'd like to try it, then you can feel free to do so. But kept this video short as well. I mean, I'll update on Twitter if anything changes with my position, but I kind of expect Bitcoin to just chop for a couple days within here, if I had to guess. I mean, what I think doesn't really matter. We just trade the chart, trade the setups, and try and be systematic with things. But this just went straight up for 6 hours, so usually that's kind of followed with a bit of a cool off. So we'll see what happens. And as always, I'll be sure to update you guys. And next week we should be good to get back to the normal streaming schedule and actually do some streams. And I am planning to bring on Spaceman BTC, who makes a lot of cool indicators like this. Levels. Where's a clean chart? This levels indicator is one of his, which I like to have on a plain chart to kind of keep an eye on things, because it's a lot of stuff that I already use. So we'll be having him on for a stream, which I think will be pretty fun. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will keep you posted on Twitter if anything changes, and I will talk to you soon.